It was the morning after Mother's Day, and the farmer came running in the house, and he's like, "You need to come quick, get your boots on, come quick." And I said, "Do I need to bring my camera?" And he's like, "Yes, bring your camera." And this is what we found.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hi, Tweety.
There it is. Good tell. That's the belly button. That's not.
Good girl.
Watch the camera.
Oh, good girl. Oh, my good girl.
Camera.
Here we go.
Easy, easy. She's back that calf big time.
You can put the goats over there.
I don't have any food over there.
Now we named this beautiful little baby Honey because she is just the most beautiful shade of deep clover honey. Thank you for watching. This is Kirsten with Field Farm and Forest, and I appreciate you. Follow, like, subscribe, and come back again and watch us with more slow living, farm to table foods, and simple farm life.